Hi everyone, my name is Lina Archibald from Lina Archibald Textile Art and Design, and I would like to welcome you to my studio and to my online class where you will be learning how to create Nuno felted scarf with a lace, just lace like this or lace like this, or even just simple tassels. I've been using this technique for 7 years. I've been felting scarves in this technique for 7 years. However, using the same technique, I created different designs. Just like, for example, this was one of my first scarves and I treasure this. Just simple like that. Or lace on the end of scarf. Something I've been teaching as well, or lace all over the scarf, just like this. So many possibilities with this technique. You can use either just white materials and then dye scarf using acid dyes, and something I will be teaching you how to dye scarf just to achieve monocolor, just like this, or how to achieve gossamer of different colors using different acid dyes, just like what I'm wearing. Or just simply, if you have some scarf or fabric, silk fabric, using different color of merino wool, you have another effect. So what you're going to learn? Nuno felted technique. So this class is suitable for complete beginners or anyone who would like to learn this particular technique. You will learn how to felt fine lace, just like this. You will learn how to adapt this technique to different designs, what materials to use, what type of silk to use. And I've been using so many different types of silk. For example, this scarf was created using ready chiffon scarf, actually, which I pinched from my mom. She did not wear this scarf for a long time, so I decided to ask her if I could have it and create this design. That's actually one of my first designs, just like this, and I do keep them. We will look at, as I mentioned, different types of silk. You can use chiffon, you can use Margilan silk, ponch silk. We just look what different effects you can achieve using different silks. Okay. Obviously, I mentioned we're going to dye silk. It's another technique you're going to learn, either mono dye or different types, using different colors of dye. Okay. I really hope you will enjoy this class, as it's been my favorite design. I've been selling these scarves, I've been making for friends, I've been making for myself. I wear them all the time. I've been teaching this design. So thank you very much, and I hope you will join me for this class. Take care.